قال الله الحكيم أذن للذين يقاتلون بأنهم ظلموا.
The leader is reciting verses from the Holy Quran.
الذين أخرجوا من ديارهم بغير حق إلا أن يقولوا ربنا الله ولولا دفع الله الناس بعضهم ببعض لهدمت صوامع وبيع وصلوات ومساجد يذكر فيها اسم الله كثيرا ولينصرن الله من ينصره إن الله لقوي عزيز. به میهمانان عزیز و همه حضار گرامی خوش آمد میگویم.
I wish to welcome the distinguished guests and participants. Amongst all the issues that are noteworthy to be addressed by the political elites and thinkers from all over the world, the issue of Palestine has a special significance. Palestine is the most prominent issue with respect to all the common issues facing the Islamic countries. There are unique features and characteristics in this regard. Firstly, a Muslim nation has been usurped, and the foreigners who have come from different world countries and have created a fake society, and they have usurped this land. This unprecedented event in the course of history has been accompanied with atrocities and criminal actions. The first Qibla of Muslims and many other religious centers that exist in this country have been threatened with demolition and destruction. This fake government in the most sensitive part of the world of Islam since its formation till now has played the role of a military and security and political base for the arrogant governments, and has played a pivotal role for the colonialists, that is an enemy for the progress of Islamic countries, and it has been used as a dagger in the face of the Islamic Ummah. Zionism, that has a major moral, political and economic threat for the human society, has used this foothold in order to expand its influence and dominance in the region and the world. There are other points that can be added. Speaking of the human and material losses paid by Islamic countries, and also the Muslim governments and nations' preoccupation with this issue, and also the suffering of millions of homeless Palestinians, and most of them after 6 decades they are still living in camps. And in fact, that has affected the history of an important civilizational focal point of the world of Islam. Today, in addition to these points, there is another additional point, and that is the movement of the Islamic awakening that has in fact influenced the whole region and has opened a new chapter with respect to the destiny of Muslims. This major movement that can contribute to the formation of a consistent and unified Islamic focal point, and with the help of God and also the firm resolve of the pioneers of this movement, hopefully it will put an end to the era of backwardness and humiliation of Muslim nations. And such an uprising has received a major part of its strength from the Palestinian issue. The bullying policies of the Zionist regime and also the support by some corrupt and mercenary governments of the US, and also the strong and firm resistance of the Palestinians and the Lebanese, and also the miraculous victories of the faithful Muslim youths in the course of the 33-day War of Lebanon and 22-day War of Gaza have been among the major factors that have in fact that have contributed to the uprising of the people in Egypt, to Tunisia and Libya. This is a fact that the armed-to-the-teeth Zionist regime that claims to be invincible has faced a defeat, a crushing defeat in Lebanon, and that was a humiliating defeat for the Zionist regime. And after that, in the face of the strong resistance of the Gazans, the Zionist regime once again tested its sword and its crushed military strength, and this is something that has to be reconsidered at the regional level, and also every decision must be examined on the basis of such a criterion. So this is a precise judgment to say that the Palestinian issue has gained double significance, and the Palestinian nation has the right to expect more from Muslim countries. A glance at the past and present will help us in order to formulate the roadmap for the future. I'm going to present the major points in this regard. More than 6 decades has passed since the catastrophe of the usurpation of Palestine. The major elements behind it have all are known to everyone, and the colonialist British government has played a pivotal role, and it has provided security equipment and arms and weapons, and also the other arrogant Eastern and Western governments have also served this tyrannical action. The innocent Palestinians have been massacred, and they have been just driven out of their homeland. Now, even 1/100th of the catastrophe that has been